Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you. Like I said in my first video, that this channel is created for me to document my trading activities. I trade basically synthetic indices, and trading is not that difficult if you have the right knowledge, and you can only get the right knowledge from the right mentorship, from the right people who have tried um different strategies that are now working for them. So, and another thing is you have to be patient. If you have the right strategy and you are not patient enough, your psychology is not on top of the game, you will still enter the trade the wrong way, blow your account, and the trade will still go your way. So it's very important. So in this video, this is step index. I would like us to analyze this step index trade together, and then we'll see where we are going to enter the trade for a buy or for a sell. But looking at it, I usually like to start my analysis from the highest time frame. So from this MT5, our highest time frame is the monthly time frame. So this is the monthly time frame. We are here. So as you can see, this is the high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And that is where this is the last low price created, and we are pushing to the downside. And now this market has been bearish for a very long time, seen from inception. And then currently looking at it, you can see that for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 months, and even this month, we have been pushing to the downside. So there is no need you can just come from the blue moon and say you want to buy. You have to look at what the higher time frame is doing first before you decide which step to take, which action to take concerning the market. So as it is, for me, I'm sell bias already. So we are going to go to the lower time frame as we go lower to see how the market is doing in the lower time frames, and then we can be able to mark our market structure maybe at the daily time frame or the 4 hourly time frame to mark our point of interest, so we can be able to join a sell trade. So that is that. So let us now go down to the weekly time frame and see how the market is doing. See, for the monthly time frame, you can see that this was the last low, and we have broken the low. And then here, market came for a retest. Market came to test this zone perfectly, and we are now pushing to the downside. So what I usually do is I will now put a vertical line here. So my point of concern, my area of concern now will be this, our downward movement for this past 4 5 months. That is my concern. So let's go to the daily weekly time frame and see what the market is doing. Now this is the weekly time frame. If we come to the weekly time frame, we see that market is currently moving to the downside. Here, first structure break. This is the first structure break. Market break this low, then came back to retest this zone, and then market now come down to break this low again. So looking at it, go to the daily time frame, then we can see it clearer. You can see we break break this zone, we break this low, we retrace to test the zone, we come back, we break this low, and market has come back to test this zone again. So we are now analyzing the market. So if you look at it perfectly, market came back to retest this zone again. Let me mark it out. Market has come to retest this zone. Market test retest and he pushed down impulsively. Let's go to the 4 hourly. This is what I'm saying. Market tested here, pushed down impulsively, and it broke this low down, and it came back to retest this zone. Came back to retest this zone, and currently we are pushing to the downside. So since we are sell buyers, what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for where we can comfortably enter the market for a sell trade. So from here, I want to mark out my zone. I want to mark out this zone. Market is already retracing back to the zone. I want to mark out this zone. If price can retrace back to this zone and give us a sell signal, I will buy. I will sell the market. Or if markets come back to retest this zone, these are the two zones. It's either markets react from here or markets react from here or it reacts from this zone, and then we sell the market. So in whichever way, we are looking at market to be either from here or from here. So these two areas are the areas we are looking at. So if you do the analysis step by step like this, you will see that trading will become more easier for you. You know where exactly you are waiting for the market to enter. You can't just be entering the market at random points. So with this analysis now, I know that the price gets to this point and it gives me an entry signal in the lower time frame. I will enter here, and here, or if it gets to this one, if it give me an entry signal here, I will enter. And in my subsequent videos, I will be uploading different ways in which I used to enter the market to catch my sniper entries. So that is it about step index. It's not that difficult. If we can be able to analyze the market step by step, you see that you get the movement of the market very well to catch those beautiful sells and buy setups that the market presents on daily basis. So that is that from me. Thank you very much. Please, if you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. Encourage me to do more videos. Thank you.